My name is Jean Clark, and I work for Gainesville Regional Utilities in Gainesville, Florida, home of the Florida Gators. I am a senior infrastructure design and administrator, and I mainly manage the desktop environment, the desktop infrastructure. We have approximately 2,500 desktops, 34 different technicians of all different levels. We have people that just use it for remote desktop, and those are our business analysts, people that are not technically inclined. And we have technicians that deploy software and patches and desktop management. Well, I've used SMS since version 1.0 up to the current version. I've also used ScriptLogic's Desktop Authority. And when I went to ManageEngine Desktop Central, a couple of the reasons was, the main reason was it allowed me to deploy executables instead of just MSIs. Most other applications, they only allow you to deploy MSIs. And with an executable, it incorporates all the prerequisites of an application. So if something needs a .NET framework, it's generally packaged in an executable where it isn't with an MSI. Desktop Central also was a third of the price of ScriptLogic. It was also very easy to implement and to understand and to completely get our organization in and managed. How I use it is basically to manage the entire infrastructure of our desktops and to deploy patches and keep everything up to date. Because our users are not administrators on our desktop, every time one of these updates came along, we would have to log into their desktop as an admin, download and do the patch, and install it. With Desktop Central, I have it completely automated, so when a new patch comes out, I don't have to touch it. It just automatically updates for Adobe, iTunes, Google, and a number of different applications. For each one of those, it's about 15 minutes for an install, which reduces the productivity of the user, takes time from our desktop team where they could be doing something else, and it saved us probably the amount of the application on a yearly basis in labor fees. Support is great. The other day I was trying to run a query, create my own query within Desktop Central, and not understanding the database structure, and I'm not a SQL person. I was able to get a copy of the database structure from the support guys, handed it over to me, and I was able to run the query that I needed and get the information that I needed.